think we hit the mother lode. Good morning, everybody. So crew had an eye appointment and it ended up being super nearby this thrift store. So I can't help myself. We're gonna pop by together. He's gonna be my little teammate and we're gonna see if I can find anything good in a limited time, because usually with crew, I don't have that much time to find good stuff. We're on the countdown clock. We're gonna see what I can find, and then when we get home, we're gonna unbox some designer inventory that I picked up for super cheap, and I'll explain more when I get home. Already, these are really cute. And then APL, these are good. Nice. And we've got some Allbirds for just $3. Nice. How you doing? Hey.
Yo, Mom, I'm doing great.
We have a Fossa jacket. This is a Goodman's brand. I think it's custom embroidered. You know what? But this sells well, so let's take a chance. Okay, we've got Patagonia H2 No jacket. It's peeling a little bit here. I'm gonna look up comps, but I think I'm gonna grab it. Okay, so this is again another Target collab, which doesn't do great, but it's brand new. Only $7. Let's see. Should I get it? Huh?
Yeah, Mom, the comps on that are wild.
So I spotted these. These are Jack Rogers, $3. The toe is a little scuffed, but that's easy to fix, and I will show you once I get back home. So sometimes I'm asked, do I get started in a certain section of the store? And personally, I like to look at shoes, and then jackets and sweaters, and then jeans. I'm just looking wherever. A lot of times I don't even have like a rhythm or rhyme or reason. I'm just looking randomly, and I get lucky. Okay, so a few things I spotted for $4. It's brand new, free people. And then a Sundance top, really clean. I always check when it's white. I check the armpits because that's where stains tend to be.
Armpits.
But this one's another $4. I don't know about this. I'm actually gonna look this up, Willow. It's linen. Oh no, yeah, he's not gonna last much longer. Okay, we're on the countdown clock. Oh, buddy. You're doing great. We have Jeffrey Campbell. These look really clean, good condition. $5. Okay, I think we hit the mother lode because these are all Sundance, but the tag's cut out. But that hasn't impacted my sales in the past when I've picked this up, so I think we should grab a bunch of them.
Success!
You guys know it's not a good day till we find it. Yes, it's $9. That's not bad.
$194.30.
Okay, perfect. You did it. You did it. Yay! Okay, that was a huge success. I only got 30 pairs of the Sundance pants because when it's that many of the same style, it can be a little tricky to move them quickly, and I'm trying to keep my store moving with stuff quickly. By the way, they were very thrilled that I bought so many. They're on sale, so they've been looking to clear them out, and they're thrilled with that. So hey, if they sell great, I can always go back and get more, but I'm really happy with the 30 pairs that I got, because that alone should be, let me do the math, if they sell for $30 each, that's almost $1,000.
Make a lot of money. Yeah, I do all right for myself.
Right there, which is crazy. So we're gonna head home, we're gonna unbox some stuff, get crew down for a nap. Yeah, you can just follow me along today. Okay, so just for fun, this is the Sundance top on and the Sundance pants. I sold pants similar to this, Sundance pants. They were called the More Than Cargo pants. They had embroidery, they were linen blend, and they all sold for between $30 and $50 for the most part. So I think these will sell really, really well. And the fact that the tag is cut out really hasn't mattered to me in the past, or at least as far as sales go. But the top, because it's more basic, will probably sell for more like $25. But still, I think this is like kind of cute. I feel a little bit like Annie Hall.
Oh God, what a dumb thing to say, right? I mean,
Sorry that I'm always wearing my hat. It's just because I don't feel like styling my hair a lot of days. So I'll probably, once it warms up, I'll have to style my hair more. But yeah, really cozy. I think it's really cute, and I'm excited to see if these sell well, and I'll definitely report back. Okay, I'm back. Crew is down for a nap. That was an amazing thrift haul. I'm super excited about those Sundance pants. I think they'll sell great. For such a quick thrift trip, I was surprised at how much we found. I think we have like $1,500 worth of sales just from that little thrift haul. And and maybe more because the Sundance pants were $900 on their own. So maybe even more than that. But I also have some stuff that I got at Goodwill.com or online. Goodwill has auctions that they do from all over the country. Certain stores post items and they put them up for auction and then they'll ship them to you. It's not the most cost-effective way to find stuff, but if you're ever in a pinch, I think you can find some really great stuff to flip on eBay. And that's what I did. I looked for high-end stuff. I looked for brands that maybe aren't as well known, but that I know from experience have sold well for me in the past. So let's unbox them together and see what I've got. Okay. Trying to remember what all this was. Oh yeah. Okay, a Kate Spade bag. Okay, so these are the Free People Delaney Gladiator sandals. I paid $10.99, but I also paid shipping. So it brings my total to about $20. And I thought I could flip these for like at least $40, but now I'm wondering if they were a great purchase. In general, they look to be in really good condition, but they are kind of a small size. They might not sell super great. So maybe a flop on this one. Okay, next up, I got this Kate Spade bag for $10 on shopgoodwill.com, but again I paid shipping. They were able to ship both of them together, so I do think I saved money there. This one I'm actually planning on customizing. I'm also doing that with a pair of Doc Martens that I got, so I got those a long time ago. I'm just now fixing them up, but I want to customize this and possibly auction it off, so stay tuned for that. So 20 bucks for a Kate Spade purse all in really isn't bad. Okay, next up. I'm like having a hard time remembering what I got. Come on. Okay, and we have, oh, these are really cool. Okay, these are some Free People boots, and I paid $19 for these. So because they are suede and they're super tall knee boots and they're in like really clean condition as well, I thought that was a really good deal. So let me look up comps on this exact style. Hopefully I can make a profit on these. I think with shipping, this brings me at about $28 all in. Okay, so I think those boots can sell for well over $100, which puts me at a pretty good profit margin considering I only paid about $28 for them. So really happy with that. And if I can sell them for over 100, that's still a decent profit for me. So that was a good find. I don't know if you can hear that, but there's a car alarm that keeps going off as I'm trying to film. Ah! I don't know if you can hear that, but my gosh, why? Why right now? I need to film before crew wakes up.
We're on the countdown clock.
Okay, sorry. Okay, here's the last box. I opened it up. This one has the most exciting things, I think. This is a Patricia Nash wallet. I paid just $12 for this. It's brand new with the tags, which I actually didn't know. It didn't specify that in the listing, I don't think, as far as what I saw. And it retails for $120. This sells on eBay for like $85, $65 to $85, and I paid $12 plus shipping, which brought me to about a little over $20 all in. So I will definitely make money on this. Patricia Nash is a really, really nice purse brand. Every time I found it, it has sold quickly, and I don't think it's as well known as some other brands, but it sells really well on eBay. So this was a great find. And then we have probably the most exciting thing here. These are some Prada boots.
Wow.
Now, Prada's not my favorite brand to sell all the time. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer to sell and it's not like the hottest designer brand, but I figured because these were boots and apparently they were authenticated. So that's another cool thing about shopgoodwill.com is they will, I guess, like authenticate it for you if they're selling something high end. Paid $90 for these, all in. I'm just over $100. I need to look up comps, but they seem to be in really good condition. I'm kind of nervous. I hope I can make my money back on these.
Hey, listen, make sure and subscribe.
Okay, so I saw a comp on Poshmark for $225 for these boots. Of course, they'll take some time to sell, but they retail for $990. So to buy these for just over $100 really isn't bad. Again, I think like your margins are gonna be slimmer. I don't think this is like the most sustainable way to get inventory, but I just wanted to try it out. And I kind of want to keep it in mind for myself. If in the future I want to buy something for me that's like a luxury brand or really nice, but just for less money, then I will definitely try this out. But if you have had success buying online from Goodwill, let me know. What has your experience been? And thank you for joining me on my little thrift trip day with Crewy. I think we have over $2,000 in sales here, which is totally a fantastic day. I'm so grateful for all of you for following along. Take care, and I will catch you guys next time.